Okay, I'm putting in, taking out the press rocker arm pressed in studs, and I'm putting in screw in studs. But everybody, everybody shows you how to do all that. What I haven't seen anybody really showing you is making sure they're all lined up. Making sure they're all lined up as you go. So, just want to emphasize on that. I didn't really see anybody doing that. So, stack your little stack of stuff. Stack your boom, 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 boom. Wash it first. Stack your little rocker things, more washers. Pull the pin, and throw the grenade. Pull the pin out. Ding, ding, comes out. Your stacks up. Your little setup tool. It's pretty cool. Make sure it's lined up. Sure it's lined up. Yeah. Pull the thing. Yeah, start your tap. Clean your tap before you start it. Press there. Do this with your tap. Whatever you choose to do it with. I start off with this one. I don't know why. Just a preference. It's all. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that make sure you get your level all the way across. I really didn't see it. I don't know. Maybe I didn't look at all the videos. Maybe somebody does tell you that. That's all I'm stressing. It's all I'm not stressing, but I'm just letting you guys know. That's one thing. Making sure they're all level. That's how I'm doing it. Everybody else has their own way to do it, but that's what I wanted everybody to know. It's the first time I've ever done these. Studs pulled out. They didn't come out that easily, so they were in there. So here's the screw in studs I got, and I got my chamfer bit right on the drill already. My deburr tool, countersink it a little bit so that it gets the right height you need. Thread locker, as you can see, and we'll see how it turns out when I start the engine and rev it up. Like I said, I've never done them before, but here we go. In my PAP head. So then I still have to make room for the push rod. Open those up a little because I'm going with a heavier spring, a little bigger roller cam, and I got most of the parts to put it together already. Pretty much, yeah, nearly most of it. The only thing I need to do left is get my 1.6 rocker arms. I have the 1.5s. I'm going to go ahead and start up with the 1.5s, and then I'm going to throw the 1.6s on because that's pretty easy to do. Change out rocker arms while it's already together. And that's my plan for more horsepower at home build without a machine shop. I already checked, make sure the heads was flat. I got my slate, flat slate, or whatever it is. I'm not sure what it is. It was flat. I had Deanna take it to her work, and she I don't know, someone. Deanna took it to her work. She's she works in aerospace. She's an inspector. Put it on her plate, on her table, which is definitely fucking flat. And she said it's pretty flat. So that's how I know the heads were good. All right, everybody, that's it.